Hey guys, what's going on? Frank Rich here from Rebuilt Recovery, and in today's video, I want to talk to you about the number one reason why you need to quit pornography today, and ultimately how you can step out of this destructive habit or addiction that's crippling your life, and ultimately step into the life that you know that you were created to live. But before we get into today's video, guys, let me remind you who we are and what we do here. Welcome to the Rebuild Your Life YouTube channel. My name is Frank Rich, CEO, founder, and head coach at Rebuilt Recovery, and it is our mission to help men break free from the shackles of porn addiction through the power of faith and fitness. Now, we do that in a handful of different ways. First off, right here on this YouTube channel, we are releasing new videos every single day, Monday through Friday at this point. So if you're new to the channel and haven't done so yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also turn those post notifications on so you're notified every single time a new video is released. And secondly, guys, if you're in the early stages of identifying your problem with porn and masturbation and are curious about what life can look like for you once you've been able to remove this destructive habit from your life, make sure to pick up our free ebook, guys. It's a 7-step guide to living life without porn, where we walk you through how to paint a vision for your life once you remove pornography from it, how to take that vision and put it into an actionable plan that you can execute upon daily, and then how to build more discipline, how to build more willpower, and ultimately hold yourself accountable as you go through the steps of removing porn from your life, because this will be a journey of months, years, and potentially for the rest of your life. So pick up the free book, guys. I'm gonna link it down there in that first pinned comment below. But let's get back to today's video, guys. The number one reason why you need to remove pornography from your life. So, you know, we've been at this for a few months now with the videos. We talked about the harmful effects of pornography on your brain, how it literally alters your reward center, how it hijacks your reward system, creating this impulse, creating this desire for more pornography, and really narrowing what brings you pleasure in life. We talked about the harmful effects of pornography on your health and on your body and on your testosterone. Go back and listen to the episode with Jimmy Barker from Tampa Testosterone. We talked about the harmful effects upon the relationship, you know, how it's created this world where you objectify every woman that you come in contact with, how it's put a shield and put a barrier between you and your wife and you and your spouse. We did a video recently on how it impacts your spouse. We've talked about how it impacts the world and the link between pornography and human trafficking and how they fuel each other. So guys, the reasons are out there, and if you don't believe me, just go back and watch the last few months of videos. But the number one reason why you need to remove pornography from your life today is you. You are the reason why. And here's what I mean, guys. You were given this one life. You were given this one brain. You were given this one heart. You were given this one body. And that's it. So if you're gonna live life to its fullest, if you're ultimately gonna step into the man that you were created to be, if you're ultimately gonna step into becoming the greatest version of yourself, if you're ultimately gonna step into living the life that you were designed and living up to your fullest potential, that is the reason why you need to remove pornography from your life, and you need to do it today. Because knowing that it harmfully impacts your brain, knowing that harmfully impacts your heart, knowing the negative effects that it has on your body, you know, erectile dysfunction, the inability to get an erection, the lowering of testosterone, the lack of focus, the lack of attention to detail, the inability to accomplish tasks, the inability to get things done. Guys, these are all holding you back from truly stepping into your greatness. And if you're here and you're resonating with anything that I say, we're only looking for and we're only attracting guys that want to become the best version of themselves. So if you're out there and like, I'm okay and I'm happy living a mediocre life, turn the video off right now, because nothing I'm ever gonna say is gonna resonate with you. And that's okay. If you are okay with living a mediocre life, if you are okay with being a mediocre version of yourself, then continue down the path that you're going on right now. But men, if you're interested in stepping into the life that you were created to live, if you're interested in truly becoming the greatest version of yourself, it has to start with the removal of pornography. And once you've done that, once you've removed the negative consumption, once you remove the toxicity of what you're consuming, you can then begin the process of rebuilding and rewiring your brain. But it's got to start with stopping the viewing. It's got to start with stopping the consuming. And then we can build the plan to rebuild your body. Then we can build the plan to rewire your brain. Then we can build the plan to reshape your heart. Then we can build the plan to ultimately help you step into the life that you know you were created to live. But if you're going to remove porn, all of the reasons why, the impact on the world, the impact on your heart, the impact on your relationships, the impact on your family, the impact on your job, the impact on your finances, the impact on your career. All of those are great reasons. But the number one reason why is because you have to want to become the greatest version of yourself. You have to want to step into the life that you were created to live. You have to want to fully live up to your greatest and unlimited potential. And that can only be done once you remove the negativity from your viewing. Once you stop viewing pornography, then you can build the plan to get it out. So this video is going to be really short, guys, because it's more about a message. It's more about getting this belief system. It's more about getting this perspective to you than anything else. But we have some tools and strategy that can help you guys if you're ready to make that decision. So if you're ready and you're ready to make the decision today, 2 things that you need to do right now. First of all, download the free ebook, because it's a 7-step guide to literally walking you through exactly what you need to do to create the life where porn no longer even enters into the equation. Secondly, guys, join our free Rebuild Your Life Facebook group. I'm gonna link that down there below in the pinned comment as well. Get around a group of like-minded men. Get around a group of other men that are aiming to step out of this destructive habit and are aiming to step into life that they know where they're created to live. So download the free ebook, join the Facebook group. But guys, ultimately, if you're gonna remove pornography from your life, you gotta wanna do it for you, and you gotta wanna do it because you know that if you continue down this path, you are not living your truest self, you're not living your greatest life, and you're not living the life that you were designed to live. So download the free ebook, guys. Like you said, if you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. So we are releasing new videos every single day. I'm gonna make sure you're notified when those videos are out. But that's it, guys. Frank Chris from Live Recovery, helping you understand that you are the reason that you need to remove pornography and giving you the tools, tactics, and strategies to help you create a life that's 100% porn free. I'll see you guys on the other side.